Hey Porter Kindergarten, Mrs. Branham here today. Going to talk to you about some subtraction. I have a story to go along with our subtraction work today. In this story you're going to notice that they're getting smaller every time they're taking away, which is what we do when we subtract. We take things away and we get smaller. So the title of this story is 5 Little Sharks Swimming in the Sea. The author is Steve Metzger, and then it's illustrated by Laura Bryant. Here's my title page. 5 little sharks swimming in the sea. One bumped into a giant manatee. The mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more sharks swimming in the sea." So if we have 5 minus, we take 1 away, how many will be left? 4 little sharks splashing by the shore. One got stuck on the ocean floor. The mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more sharks splashing by the shore." Now if we had 4 minus, we're taking away 1, we're getting smaller. How many do we have left? 3 little sharks racing past a whale. One got close and banged his tail. The mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more sharks racing past a whale." So if you had 3 minus 1, now we have 2 little sharks playing hide and seek. One got lost and was missing for a week. The mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more sharks playing hide and seek." So if you had 2 minus 1 got lost for a week, how many do you have left? 1 little shark swimming all alone. Ate too much fish and began to groan. The mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more sharks swimming all alone." So now, if the 1 little shark ate too much and he had to get out and not swim anymore, how many are left swimming in the sea? Now there's no little sharks swimming in the sea. No little sharks, as happy as can be. The mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, "Let those sharks swim wild and free." The end. So I hope you liked that story. Now we're going to look at some subtraction on my board, and we're going to make things just a little bit harder now. You've had a lot of practice subtracting with pictures, and now we want to try to take those pictures away. Okay, so what we're going to look at, this is subtracting without pictures. We're going to look at our equation, and I want to look at my numbers first. 5 minus 2. Well, remember the first number tells you how many that you're starting with. Then you have your minus sign, and the next number tells you how many you're taking away, okay? Then you're going to want to balance it out. Now, if you need to draw pictures with this, you can. If you need to draw little dots, you can. If you need to use your fingers, you can. But I really want you to try not to, okay? So let's look at this first problem. 5 minus 2 equals. Think about it for just a second. Think about what you think the answer is. And I know in my mind, if I have 5 sharks swimming in the sea, minus 2 of them go away, I know that the answer is going to be 3. I hope that that's what you said too. Okay, let's look at the one on the bottom. 4 minus 2 equals what? Well, again, if I start with 4 minus 2 of the sharks swim away, I know I'm going to have 2 left. 4 minus 2 equals 2, okay? How about this one here? 6 minus 0. Oh, we talked about 0. Remember, 0 is nothing. So if I have 6 minus, I'm not taking any away, I'm still going to have 6. 6 minus 0 equals 6. Okay, on the bottom, 7 minus 1. Think about it for just a second. What do you think my answer should be? Well, if I have 7 minus, I'm only taking 1 away. That's like counting down. We're moving down the number line, we're getting smaller. So 7 minus 1, I'm going to have 6. 7 minus 1 equals 6. I hope that's what you're getting. Give me a thumbs up if you're working with Mrs. Branham. Awesome. Okay, let's look at my last row over here. On this one, I have 3 minus 3. Now think about that one for just a second. If you're taking all of them away, you started with 3 minus you're taking all 3 away. You're getting rid of all of them. So how many will you have left? Anytime a number is minus itself, you're taking them all away. So 3 minus 3 equals 0. Thumbs up if that's what you got. I hope so. And last one, 5 minus 3. Think about it in your mind. Think about if you have 5, how many you would be left with. 5 minus 3 equals, you're going to have 2 left. Okay, I hope that you worked really hard for your parents today. I hope you work on your subtracting without pictures. I also want to challenge you to have your parents write you some of these subtraction problems. Try to do them without the pictures. If you need another tool, of course, draw little dots, draw pictures out, use your fingers. You can always use a tens frame to answer your problems, whatever math tool that you need. I hope you have a great day today. Remember to be leaders for your parents and show them how proactive you are. I love you very much. Bye.